Never been in this part before, but now I am. Somehow I'm kind of scared to go through here. Be cool, Mega Man. Be cool. Deep breaths. Sorry you had to see that. Okay. Let's go. Okay, this is as far as I can go. Man. There must be another way that I can get through there. Let me try to go through that opening. Alright, I made it. There might be something useful up here. I hope. Oh, spider. Anyway, I'll get back to you guys a little bit. It'll probably take a little time. That was a long walk. Yeah, this is usually where my granny puts stuff that she doesn't need anymore. As you can see, there's a dog barking right there. That's the neighbor's house. You know, all the stuff may be useful for scraps and stuff. I don't know why Mom just throw. Ugh, Granny. I don't know why Granny always throws this stuff away. It's strange. I don't know what that dog's name is. Shut up! Anyway, this stuff should be useful for scrapping. I mean, look at all of this. Let me know in the comments if you want all this to be scrapped for money and stuff. This stuff is actually real. Peace out, guys. I'm just gonna give you a 30 seconds of looking at all of this stuff. I don't know why that's there.